How do I put money on Venmo? Intro. Hey there, you're having a blast with friends, sharing a pizza and laughing. Suddenly, the bill arrives, and everyone's scrambling for their wallets. It's a familiar scene, but what if there was a simpler, faster way to split the cost? That's where Venmo comes in. Hook. Ever wondered, how do I put money on Venmo? It's a question that many of us have asked ourselves, especially in today's digital age. In this video, we're going to break down the process step by step so you can effortlessly add funds to your Venmo account and enjoy the convenience of peer-to-peer payments. Understanding Venmo. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly understand what Venmo is. It's a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's like having a digital wallet in your pocket. Setting up your Venmo account. The first step is to download the Venmo app from your phone's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You'll need to provide your basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Linking your bank account or debit card. To add money to your Venmo account, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card. This is where the magic happens. Linking your bank account allows you to transfer funds directly from your bank to Venmo. To link your bank account, go to the Settings tab in the Venmo app and select Bank Accounts. Follow the prompts to add your bank information. Adding money using a bank transfer. Once your bank account is linked, you can add money to your Venmo balance by initiating a bank transfer. In the Venmo app, go to the Balance tab and select Add Money. Choose the bank transfer option and enter the amount you want to add. Venmo will typically process the transfer within a few business days. Adding money using a debit card. If you prefer to use your debit card, you can also add money to Venmo using the debit card option. Simply select this option in the Add Money screen and enter your card details. The funds will be added to your Venmo balance instantly. Using Venmo for payments. Now that you've successfully added money to your Venmo account, it's time to start using it. To send money to a friend, simply open the app and search for their username. Tap on their name and enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a note or emoji to personalize your payment. Receiving payments. Receiving payments on Venmo is just as easy. When someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification. To accept the payment, simply tap on the notification and confirm. The funds will be added to your Venmo balance. Venmo fees. It's important to note that Venmo does charge fees for certain transactions, especially when using a credit card. Be sure to review Venmo's fee structure to avoid any surprises. Security and privacy. Venmo takes security and privacy seriously. They use advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information and financial transactions. However, it's always a good practice to be cautious and avoid sharing your Venmo login credentials with anyone. Conclusion. With that said, adding money to your Venmo account is a simple process that can make your life easier. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or paying for a service, Venmo offers a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. Call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Venmo app today and start enjoying the benefits of peer-to-peer payments. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.